Hi, it's Steph here at the Bead Shop. I'm just going to very quickly show you how to use the brand new Speedle Needle from the Beadsmith. They're a very handy gadget and will make threading beads very quick. So you need to have your beads in a tube, which many beads come in tubes. We also sell the tubes separately, or I know a lot of beaders will have spare tubes or empty tubes. The Speedle needle itself has a small barb on one end, the pointy end, and then a really handy collapsible eye and a little twist at the end, which means when you thread your needle, the end of the thread will sit nicely in that twist and not easily pull free. And now to actually use the Speedle needle, bit of a mouthful, but I like the name. You just poke it into your tube of beads and your beads are going to jump up the needle, just like that. The little barb stops them from dropping back off the end of your needle, and then you can just easily slide them up over that collapsible line straight onto your thread.